Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we analyze corporate filings so you don't have to. Today we're diving into a company that seems to be trying to make a splash in the car care industry, but it looks like they've taken a detour through a maze of corporate restructuring and leadership shakeups. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. We are looking at an 8K form filed by Miami Breeze Car Care, Inc. This is basically a current report company's file to announce major events that could affect their investors, like a change in control, an acquisition, or other big news. The date of the earliest event reported is October 29, 2024, so let's see what happened then. First up, let's talk acquisitions. On February 28, 2025, Miami Breeze Car Care finalized the purchase of 100% ownership of Gin City Group, Inc., which is also a Florida corporation, and its subsidiary Gin City GmbH. So they bought another company and that company's other company. This is a pretty big move because it instantly expands their operations. The deal was made with the shareholders of Gin City Group, Inc., represented by Harold Giatman. Now, Giatman isn't just any shareholder, it seems he also has a material relationship with Miami Breeze because he's been appointed as a director and officer. Scroll amount of consideration given, or received for the assets, was exactly one share/scroll. The way they paid for this acquisition is interesting. They exchanged exactly 1 share of Miami Breeze Car Care's common stock for each share of Gin City Group, Inc., totaling over 20 million shares to be issued to Gin City Group, Inc.'s shareholders. But there's a twist. Since GH Bill, Inc. and Harold Giatman have an interest in both companies, they're returning some of those newly issued shares back to the company's treasury. The amount of shares issued pursuant to the acquisition will be 14,030,050 of common stock of the company. In short, the deal involved exchanging stock, but a chunk of the stock is going right back where it came from. Now let's get into the real meat of the story, changes in control. On October 29, 2024, Harold Giatman took control of Miami Breeze Car Care. That's the day the whole game changed. This wasn't just about buying shares, it was about taking the reins. The SEC filing says Giatman was appointed as a director, president, CEO, and CFO of the company. That's a lot of hats for one person. And he bought 100% of the company's Series A preferred stock and 6 million shares of common stock from GH Bill, Inc. So he got the management position and control over a huge voting power. Here's the kicker: holders of the Series A preferred stock get 65% of all the votes. Meaning Giatman, through his ownership of this preferred stock, can pretty much decide everything that happens at the company. It's like holding all the aces in a poker game. The price for all this control, $40,000 for the Series A preferred stock, which is quite the small price to pay for such a large percentage of the votes in the company. So, what does all this mean? Well, Giatman has swiftly consolidated power, acquiring a controlling stake in multiple leadership roles in the company. This complete restructuring begs a lot of questions. What is Giatman's plan for Miami Breeze Car Care? What big changes are coming to the company next? Unfortunately, there is no real financial information to dive into here. But the change in ownership, the acquisition, the treasury stock, and the small sum of money that purchased control over the company all make this a very interesting SEC report. Miami Breeze Car Care is clearly undergoing a major transformation. With Giatman at the helm, the company could be steering towards new opportunities, or it could be facing some unexpected turbulence. Only time will tell if this gamble pays off or if it leaves investors in the dust. Thanks for watching. If you found this corporate deep dive insightful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more Decoder Ring action. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning everything.